Well, a massive cyclone that's being caught historic and of potentially catastrophic proportions is continuing to gain strength as it approaches eastern India. The storm is roughly the size of France, and there are questions about whether the Indian government is doing enough to prepare. CCTV's Neela Edwards has this report.
Tens of thousands of people have already fled their homes in coastal areas along India's eastern seaboard. Officials are stockpiling food supplies, setting up shelters, and readying military aircraft for relief operations.
I therefore request you not to panic over the situation and face it unitedly. I am sure we will be able to handle this challenge with coordinated efforts.
But some meteorologists question if that's true. The government says sustained wind speeds in Cyclone Phailin are up to 220 kilometers or 135 miles per hour. But independent forecasters and satellite images predict the true sustained wind speeds are much higher, reaching more than 300 kilometers or nearly 200 miles per hour. Exact wind speeds are hard to know for sure because India does not have so-called hurricane hunter aircraft. These specially built planes fly into storms to monitor conditions like wind speed. Some forecasters are even drawing comparisons to Hurricane Katrina, a storm which devastated the United States Gulf Coast and the city of New Orleans back in 2005. It killed more than 1,800 people and caused $81 billion in property damage. Its maximum sustained wind speeds at landfall were less than Phailin's are right now. Still, India says it's ready.
We are ready to face if at all cyclone comes, but we are expecting more heavy rains by tomorrow. There is no problem here as on now. We are all ready to face any problem if cyclone comes.
The storm is on track to make landfall on Saturday evening, hitting a densely populated area near Brahmapur, India. More evacuations are expected before then. Neela Edwards, CCTV.
Turning now to some more extreme weather.